when we go do our 100-mile challenge, historically, we've averaged like 22 to 23 miles a day. Well, in order to do that, you are hiking a very, very, very large percentage of the day, and you're sitting a very, very small percentage of the day. And so in those situations, I don't deem it worth carrying a camp chair, even though I own one, even though it's the lightest one out there, or I've got pretty much every one of the sub 1 pound options. But I'm not going to take it on that because I'm just not going to use it. And so it doesn't have, the value per weight for that trip.